Oh, look at this giant epic sandwich. Can we eat it? Why would I eat this in the bathroom? This is not an ASMR mukbang, okay? This is actually a bath bomb. But hold up, wait a minute. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara family. Make sure you thumbs up this video, you guys. And I am so back for more videos, and I miss you guys so much. So if you miss me, make sure you thumbs up this video. So in this episode that I don't have a name for, I'm trying to see if we should call it bath bombing, because I'm kind of wanting to call it that. But if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. But today we're going to make this epic ice cream sandwich bath bomb, and then we're going to demo it at the end of the video. So I'm going to leave a timestamp when we demo it. But let's get into making this epic, oh so delicious ice cream cake bath bomb. So now we're going to make our chocolate ice cream bath bomb. So you want to start off with 2 cups of baking soda. Make sure you fill those 2 cups up to the top. And we're just doing 2 heaping cups of baking soda. You want to get all the lumps out of it, so make sure you get those lumps out. We're going to do a cup of citric acid. So dump that cup of citric acid in there. A 1/4 cup of kaolin clay. Now we're going to use cocoa powder, because these ice cream sandwiches need cocoa powder. So we're going to do a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Ooh, 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 look at how refreshing that is. So to that 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, we're going to add the ingredient to make these bath bombs pop, 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 SLSA. So we're just going to do a 1/4 cup of SLSA. Now these are going to be huge ice cream sandwich bath bomb. I'm just making a huge one, so I'm doing the big batch right now. So let's mix this all together until it's combined, because you want to mix it and mix it, get all those clumps out. So now that we've mixed this all together, we're going to start by adding our oils and liquids. So we're adding oils and liquids, which is glycerin, our fragrance oils, and of course Miracle Glow oil. So I'm gonna start off by adding, let me get my glove on, because I took it off because it's getting kind of hot in here. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of oil. This is just a sunflower seed oil, so we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of this oil. We're gonna add some glycerin. So I'm just gonna add like a tablespoon of glycerin, but I am using this 1/4 cup, and my 1/4 cup has like little grooves in it, so I'm just gonna add about 2 tablespoons. Not too much and not too little. So that's 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Side note, you guys, that SLSA, what was I saying? LSSA? Lord help me. That SLSA is potent, so you already know. So you want to mix that in. Now we're going to add our fragrance oil. So I'm going to use a mixture of fragrance oils. I'm going to use a caramel pecan fragrance oil, so it's like a chocolate scent. So I'm going to add just about a teaspoon of that. So once you've done all that and you've added all your ingredients, now we're going to add Miracle Glow oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold, so make sure you pick you up some of this Miracle Glow oil at savvynaturalista.com, and we're using about 20 drops of it for this big chocolatey ice cream sandwich bath bomb we're about to do. So now we're going to mix this together until all our oils are combined. Look at this, you guys, just look at it. It looks lovely. So let's mix this together until it's combined. So once it's all combined into this beautiful mixture, you guys, you want to start by wetting it. So we're going to use Aqua de Rosas, which is an easy facial toner, and then we're going to put it in our loaf pan mode and let it dry overnight. So make sure you have your toner with you. I'm using Aqua de Rosas, of course, because I love that toner so much. So let's let's get it. So this is the toner I'm gonna use. So we're just essentially gonna mix it. Side note, this would be so much easier if I had a mixer, but that's not in the budget for our bath bomb show. But someday it will be, and we'll get a mixer, y'all. So let's just spray it. And you wanna work real fast and just coat it until it's like nice and wet. Oh yes, look at this baby. So once you've mixed it up, you sort of should get like a dough like this that's easily compact together like sand. And once you do, you just add it to your mold and let it dry. So we're gonna add it to our mold officially. I'm so excited. And you just wanna press it down like so. And then once you've done that part, then we're gonna do it again. And now we're going to work on our filling for our ice cream sandwiches, which I'm so excited to make. Is the filling, y'all. Now we're about to do the meringue part of our ice cream sandwich. So what we're gonna do is start off with about a cup of baking soda. So you just want a cup of baking soda. It's okay if it has clumps in it, just use a cup of baking soda. To that, we're going to add a half a cup of citric acid. To that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of meringue powder, but I'm going to use about a half a cup of meringue powder. Now we're going to mix this all together until it's combined. So we're going to add this heaping chunk, and this is about a cup of shea butter. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of polysorbate 80 to this. Now to that, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of apricot oil, and after that I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of glycerin, and I'll leave links down below where you could get all this at. Now to add the fun part, which are our fragrance oils for this ice cream sandwich, y'all. So I am gonna be using a vanilla fragrance oil. I'm gonna use about a half a tablespoon. However, you can use as much as you like. And to that, I'm using the vanilla stabilizer because I do not want my fragrance oil to turn brown. Now that we have this all together, we're just gonna start by whipping it up. And I am using a blender, a hand mixer. I don't have one of those good mixers everyone has. So what I am doing is just like loosening up the shea butter just a little bit, so it's easier to mix up. I could have melted it, but I'm like, I want this to whip up good, nice like. I want this to whip up right. So I am mixing in the shea butter just a little bit. So once it's mixed in like this, you guys. Okay, you guys, now we're about to turn this up and mix this. So here we go. So this is what it should look like, your whipped meringue. I'm gonna do a close-up of what it looks like. As you can see, this is how beautiful it looks. Look at you guys. Doesn't it look luscious? So now we're about to pipe this baby. I'm really excited to start piping. So I'm gonna use this bag, a Wilton bag, to pipe it, and I'm also using a 1/8 tip, y'all. So this is pretty easy. All you gotta do is just stuff it in the bag, and you wanna make sure it goes all the way down. So just stuff it in the bag like so. And this meringue is thick. And that's all you want to do. And I love 1/8 tips because 1/8 tips may be expensive, but they work bomb. So now we're going to pipe our ice cream sandwich. And this is the favorite part. I'm so excited. I'm shaking. Oh. So I'm going to do a little close-up. So hold on just a bit. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, this is so exciting. So I'm going to pipe. Look at that. So I am gonna cover the holes because like I don't want anything sticking, and plus I have all this meringue left, so I'm just gonna cover the holes, y'all. So we're just, any brown spots we see, we cover. So that's all we're gonna do, is just cover the brown spots. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna put our chocolate bar on top. Okay. Oh my God, it's already cracking. Oh my God. So now we're gonna demo this bath bomb. I just need to feel, oh my God. So now we're about to demo this huge ice cream cake bath bomb. I'm really excited to demo it for you guys. So let's get into the demo. Side note, I use a sock to fill up my tub because, you know, every time I buy a stopper, they come up missing. So now I'm just using a sock. So bear with me. Someday when it's in the bath bomb budget, we'll make it there to actually get another stopper. But let's go. See the sock. See how the sock is filling the tub. See? Y'all didn't need to see that. But see, the sock is doing its job. Now all we need to do is get this mixed in and let it fill up. Let it fill. Ooh, this is hot, hot, not warm, hot, hot. Woo. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! I'm a hot mess. So I decided to dip my toe in because I don't want people to say that, don't look at my ugly feet, but you know, I know they ugly, but I decided to dip my toe in so y'all don't say, oh, well, she just wasted a good bath bomb. Look at my toe. Ooh, this water hot. Oh, ooh, hot, hot, hot. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching this episode of Bath Bombing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in our next episode of Bath Bombing. Bye, you guys. Or whatever we call the show. Bye, you guys.